Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by confirming prerequisites. You need 10,000 coins and character level 15. Once verified, make sure you have a crafting bench placed in your base and at least one metal shard in inventory. Next, open the Tycoon menu and go straight to the Weapons tab. This reveals the Metal Knuckles recipe. Now, select the recipe to lock it and press Craft to start. This reserves materials and queues the build so you can proceed without delay. Once the recipe is active, you assemble parts. Place 3 metal plates, 2 springs, and 1 metal shard into the bench slots. Make sure to allocate 30 seconds of crafting power or connect a generator set at 50% output so the bench runs continuously. While crafting, monitor the progress bar and, if available, apply a skill boost to shorten time. If multiple players can assist, have one maintain power and another apply speed boosts. This reduces failure chance and keeps crafting efficient. When crafting reaches 100%, collect the metal knuckles from the bench immediately and equip them in your loadout to confirm stats. Then test them on a dummy or a low-level mob to verify damage and any special knockback. This confirms success. If the craft fails or the item is missing, recycle the bench components for a 50% material return and requeue the recipe right away. Make sure your inventory has space and recheck power and boosts before starting the next attempt to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.